I'm Dr. Ericka Harney, and for future generations, I teach nonprofit management. It's a course I absolutely love because of the 20 years I've spent in the industry. I absolutely love it. It's my passion, and I want to share that with the students. We go into how to really create a great fundraising strategy and how to manage volunteers appropriately, how to recruit them, how to train them, how to keep them, and how to use them as a wonderful human resource to an organization. In addition to looking at the finances, creating budgets, understanding just basic financial documents and how that affects programs, and being intentional about applied is what really drives more impact in this course than, say, me teaching that course in another college or university. So when it comes to the nonprofit course and what students can expect, they should know that there's going to be deliverables out of that. There's going to be impact and change for their organization.